trying to extract the maximum political mileage out of the Sambhal violence. Now, day after Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav raised the issue in parliament, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, today is attempting to do the same, to visit Sambhal, where he is expected to be accompanied by 5 other Congress MPs from UP, and also his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is likely to accompany the delegation. Let's in the meantime talk about the security situation that has been put in place, where right ahead of his visit to Sambhal, security that has now been increased at the Ghazipur border. Now this seems to be the same area where the delegation route is expected to be taken up for entering Uttar Pradesh. And as far as there you can see the pictures that are coming in of this morning, which clearly signifies as far as attempts rather that could be made when it comes to stopping the delegation from entering the area, because already there has been no permission that has been given, not just when it comes to the previous political delegations, be it of Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh Congress, but this time on a national front, as the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, is attempting to visit Sambhal. In all likelihood, we'll see that there would be some action that would happen at the Ghazipur border. We have Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live from the border itself, and Sabyasachi as well, to talk about the political updates. Well, Pradeep, over to you as we get ready when it comes to some action which is now expected to happen. Of course, Rahul Gandhi hasn't started with his journey yet.
You're absolutely right that the politics over the Sambhal violence is continuing. Everybody here is asking one question: when the local delegation of Congress party was not allowed 3 days back, how come all of a sudden the Rahul Gandhi will be allowed? Because prohibitory orders are still in place, and till 11th of December, nobody will be allowed to enter Sambhal. Let me ask my VJ to pan towards this side. Look at the security arrangement that have been made at the Ghazipur border, because Rahul Gandhi is supposed to take this route. From here, he can enter Uttar Pradesh. That's one of the reasons that area has properly been barricaded. Nobody will be allowed to cross to this side, and everybody here is saying that Rahul Gandhi's delegation is also going to meet same fate what really happened with Samajwadi Party and what really happened with the local Congress leadership few days back. Samajwadi Party leadership was also not allowed to come out from the Lucknow area. Even the Congress leadership was not allowed to come out of their party office, and they are saying that they will not allow anybody to politicize issue. They will not allow anybody to vitiate atmosphere, and already Supreme Court has asked district administration to ensure law and order is properly maintained, because what actually the district administration feels that it was because of the provocation that on November 24 some people who were armed with stones, they started pelting, and after that there was a firing from within the mob, because of which 4 people lost their lives and many others were critically injured. But they are BJP right now is questioning is that why the Congress and the opposition is not speaking for men in khaki, why they're only speaking for the stone pelters, while as the Congress party is saying that somewhere they are hiding truth and that they do not want the truth to come out. That's one of the reasons that they are stopping the delegation from moving towards Sambhal area. Let me show you again. Look at the area has been properly barricaded. Though the Congress workers and the leaders are standing here waiting for Rahul Gandhi cavalcade to come out to this place, they are here to receive him. But so far as administration is concerned, already district magistrate has written a letter to the neighboring 4 districts asking them to stop Rahul Gandhi from entering Uttar Pradesh, because if he crosses this barricade, Rahul Gandhi's cavalcade will be entering Uttar Pradesh. So that's one of the reasons that you can see that the buses are kept in place. There already the area has been barricaded. Large number of men in khaki and women also you will find here to stop Rahul Gandhi from entering, because they do not want atmosphere to be vitiated as this stage. Already yesterday during the course of investigation, they have recovered some ammunition which is made in the Pakistan Ordnance Factory. This empty cartridge has been recovered. Besides this, they also recovered a cartridge that is made in United States of America. So SIT is already investigating the matter. So at this stage, the administration doesn't want to take any chance. But so far as the Congress is concerned, they are saying that somewhere they are trying to hide the truth. That's one of the reasons that they are preventing the Congress and the other delegation to enter inside the Sambhal area. But so far as the administration is concerned, they do not want to take any chance. Let me show you, because by 10 or 10:30, the Rahul Gandhi cavalcade will be coming out to this place. So here they will be stopped, because they will not be allowing Rahul Gandhi to cross this point. That's one of the reasons the barricading has been done, and you will find the wall of khaki right now here. They are well prepared to stop any delegation from moving to this place. In the past also we have seen IUML leaders, they tried to do, Chandrasekhar Azad tried to cross, at Hapur they were stopped. After that we saw that even Samajwadi Party delegation wanted, because somewhere everybody feel that everybody is trying to derive the political mileage out of Sambal violence, because district administration is saying that family members will be there. After December 11th, they could come over to that place, interact with the family members. So why they are in a hurry right now to come over to that place?
So on your screens are the live pictures that Pradeep Datta is sharing with us. Lot of presence of the police, the bandobast that can be seen put in place, presence of the media as well, and of course the Congress Party Karyakartas who have now reached the spot, expecting that there would be some sort of action or drama that would take place as far as the security in the area that has beefed up. Let's also talk about what happened with the previous Congress Party delegation that attempted to reach Sambal. Now UPCC, which had planned to send a delegation to Sambal last Monday, but they were stopped by the police. On Tuesday, a team of the Congress leaders finally met with the families who were made to speak to Rahul Gandhi over the phone. Now Congress Party says the denial of permission is an attempt to stop from the truth from coming out or from emerging.
तनाव के बिना ये चुनाव नहीं जीत सकते। राहुल गांधी इस नाम से ये लोग कांपते हैं, इतना कांपते हैं कि अगर राहुल गांधी जी संभल जाना चाहते हैं, उन परिवारों से मिलने जाना चाहते हैं जिन्होंने अपने बच्चे खोए हैं, तो इनको घबराहट होती है राहुल गांधी को उत्तर प्रदेश में घुसने से कैसे रोकें, ये षड्यंत्र रचे जा रहे हैं।
संभल में शांति कायम करने के लिए समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस के लोग संभल जाना चाहते हैं। वहां संभल में जो लोग घायल हुए हैं उनका उपचार नहीं हो रहा है। हम लोग जाकर के वहां पर घायल लोगों को समुचित इलाज का मुआवजा और धनराशि देने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, लेकिन भाजपा की सरकार हम लोगों को संभल जाने नहीं दे रही है।
So let's in the meantime talk about the expected route that Rahul Gandhi is expected to take while he begins with his Sambal visit. So what is being said from Delhi to Ghaziabad as on National Highway number 6, then they would are expected to take the Meerut Expressway, and thereafter the Ghaziabad to Dasna Hapur, and they can get off the expressway to take the road directly to Sambal. Now all of the leaders who are expected to accompany Rahul Gandhi include K.C. Venugopal, Imran Masood, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Ajay Rai, Avinash Pandey, and UP Congress MPs as well, who are expected to accompany Rahul Gandhi. We have Sabyasachi who's sharing those details with us right now. Sabyasachi, the route, and of course when it comes to the movement that is now expected, what has happened since morning when Rahul Gandhi reached the residence of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra? What has happened after that?
Well, that's right. Mr. Rahul Gandhi shortly would be arriving at 10 Janpath, and after Mr. Rahul Gandhi arrives, the other leaders along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra would be coming shortly at 10 Janpath, and at around 10 a.m. is the time when they would leave from here, and a huge number of party workers have gathered out here. We'll try to speak them, get a word from them. Sir, आपसे पूछूंगा कि राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी आज संभल जाएंगे, वहीं गाजीपुर में भारी तादाद में पुलिस कर्मी मौजूद हैं और पूरी तरीके से रोड को बैरिकेड कर दिया है।
मैं समझता हूं कोई ऐसी आवश्यकता नहीं है इस समय। राहुल जी और प्रियंका जी और उनके साथ सांसद लोग, कांग्रेस के लोग किसी के घर में सांत्वना देने जा रहे हैं, जिसके घर में दुर्घटना हुई है, जिसके घर में मौत हुई है। तो मैं समझता हूं कोई ऐसी मीटिंग या जलसा या माहौल खराब करने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं थी। मैं समझता हूं जिस तरीके का माहौल भाजपा बनाने का प्रयास कर रही है, सरकार बनाने का, ये देश के और प्रदेश के हित में नहीं है। उनका क्या कारण था, क्यों ऐसी दुर्घटना हुई, इसकी जानकारी सबको होना चाहिए। इसीलिए राहुल जी जाना चाहते हैं। और जब आज की बात नहीं, जब भी कोई आवश्यकता पड़ी है तो कांग्रेस के नेता राहुल जी, प्रियंका जी, सोनिया जी हमेशा ऐसे मौके पे आगे बढ़ के आए हैं और उन्होंने सांत्वना देने का काम किया है।
सर, आपसे पूछूंगा कि इससे पहले भी समाजवादी पार्टी ने जाने की कोशिश की, उनको रोक दिया गया है। यूपी के जो कांग्रेस यूनिट है उनको पार्टी ऑफिस हो चाहे उनके घरों में हो, उसके बाहर जाने नहीं दिया। किस तरीके से देखते हैं? वहीं भाजपा जो कह रही है कि कांग्रेस जो है सिलेक्टिव आउटरीच करती है।
नहीं, वो ऐसा कह सकते हैं क्योंकि हमेशा उन्होंने ऐसा ही किया है, इसलिए वो कह सकते हैं। लेकिन एक बात यह है, वो प्रतिपक्ष के नेता हैं, उनके जाने से एक तो मैसेज ये जाएगा हम कि भाई सब लोग, उन्होंने तो एक मोहब्बत का पैगाम दिया है, वो मोहब्बत की मूर्ति है और वो जाएंगे तो लोगों में ये जाएगा कि एक साथ रहना है, इकट्ठे रहना है, इस विपदा की घड़ी को सहजता से पार कर लेना है। तो एक नेता जाता
part of
है
the Congress party is concerned, however, remains to be seen if they will be allowed in the first place to cross the Delhi-UP borders or not, as there is heightened security that has now been put in place at the Ghazipur border, where Pradeep Datta has been reporting live from. Sabyasachi, thank you to you as well.